Hello friend. Today we are going to learn English through humor. When we use humor in our day-to-day life and in English, definitely it takes the person out of his unhappiness and make him happy. Even that person take interest in learning and in listening also. And obviously he pay attention to the speaker. So using humor and jokes is very important role in our communication skill. Let us see some jokes so that we can understand it. First jokes is that once upon time the couple, the husband and wife are ready to go to the party. As soon as they reach the party, they see the dancer is dancing very enthusiastically. At that time, husband said to wife, "See, darling, this dancer is dancing very enthusiastically." That moment, wife replied, "Yes, I know, but do you know about him?" Then husband get a shock. He said, "What? I rejected him once upon time." Oh, husband said, "Oh, that is why he is dancing very enthusiastically." Now next come to the another point. Once I was looking for a teacher, lady teacher. So I went to the staff room. She was not there. So I put message there and I went to my class. After some time, that lady teacher came to my class and were asking me, "Sir, do you have any work with me?" Then I said, "Yes, I have. But right now I have class, so I will catch you later on." At that moment, the lady teacher said, "Sir, how can you catch me? I have already a 19 kg weight. Definitely you will fall me down." Oh, teacher, my point is not means catching me that I will see you later on. The lady teacher said, "Oh, is that like?" Then another humor is that one of my friend who is going to his job, so he saw some police on the road. So automatically he was afraid and he was thinking how to get out of this trouble. Then he stopped his vehicle and started walking with pulling the bike. And from near the police he was going. At that time, one police man asked him, "What happened to your bike?" Then my friend replied to him, "Sir, I don't have petrol and also having some puncture, so I'm taking my vehicle to another point." As soon as he went ahead, he kicked the bike and went away. And at that same moment, the police man saw him on riding the bike. Right? Another joke is that once teacher was teaching in the class and teacher asked one student, "What is the meaning of mother tongue? Tell me. And what is your mother tongue?" Then one student stood up and said, "Sir, mother tongue means that mother speaking all the time and father never get a chance to speak." So all the entire class started laughing. Then teacher kept quiet. Another humor is in same in the class. One teacher asked one student, it, it was class of 6. "So how old are you?" He asked to one student. Then students replied, "Sir, I am not old. I am very young man. And don't ask me like this question. Do you have any work with my old age? I am still young." Then teacher said, "I am asking your age." Right? So through this humor, when we use in our communication in our speech, definitely it will make the listener to take interest in our communication, in our speech. So my dear friend, next time when you speak, keep in mind that sometimes you have to use humor situation, humor incident, so that the listener audience take interest in your speech. Thank you, wish you all the best.